You can earn $300 and a few hours later another $400. The payment notification keeps flowing in every day like clockwork. Also, no person else is talking about. My goal for today is to help you to achieve financial freedom and the lifestyle you deserve. No investment or credit card is needed for this method. It's 100% free and it works. You need a mobile phone or computer and internet access to start profiting between $200 and even up to $1,000 as fast as today. We are now using something related to Microsoft Word right here, a unique strategy but easy for anyone without any skills or experience. Pay close attention to all the details and what you are about to see in this video, as this video will be something that will change your and your family's life and financial situation for the better. But before we start, if you like our videos, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon and thumbs up button and share it with others. So make sure you stay until the end. Now let's get into the video. First of all, go on to this website, which is HireSign.com. On this website, you can find different jobs to work from home and make a lot of money online. In just a moment, I will show you how to use Microsoft Word just like this at home, and you can earn money every day with online work from home opportunities, and it's 100% free registration. You don't need to pay any money to get started. Once again, this opportunity is available worldwide and every day within 24 hours in different payment methods. Now let me know your preferred payment method in the comments below. Now let's return to the video. There are many different online jobs to earn money online, including typing jobs, proofreading jobs, paying surveys, graphic design, PowerPoint presentation, spreadsheet entry jobs, and so many opportunities to make money even if you are a complete beginner. In this video, I will save you a lot of time and show you what's the best way to make money fast. So you can focus on that. Now take a look at proofreading job. As you can see here, you can earn anywhere between $5 up to $10 for every single page of Microsoft Word where you have to check the spelling and grammatical mistakes. And don't worry, you don't have to be good at English, you don't have to speak or talk to anybody, and no experience is needed. I will show you a real-world example of a job that we receive on this website in just a moment. As you can see here, there are 2 pages and they pay you $20 because for each page they pay you $10, and for 2 pages you can make $20. The best thing is that you can repeat this as much as you want. So when you click on this link and it will take you to this page, you can see here, become an online virtual proofreader. Once again, don't worry, this is so easier than you think. I will show you a few free automatic software at the end of this video that can help you to do everything automatically. So make sure you don't miss out on that special bonus tip. Once again, I love this website and opportunity because they pay you a very high-end competitive rate compared to other websites. Look at this $10 per page. This is a very good earning opportunity. On top of that, you have extremely flexible hours to work as much or as little job that you want. So you can do this in the comfort of your own home, and you just need a smartphone and internet access to do this. So now pay attention to this. I want to show you how to sign up for a 100% free account. The sign up procedure is a little bit tricky, so make sure you keep watching to avoid any mistakes. When you scroll down below, you can see the application procedure and the submission is 100% free. Now go and click on this white button here, apply to be an online proofreader, and it will take you to this web page to apply at the HireSign. Steps to fill up your online job application. So go down below and you can see here, steps to get enrolled and submit job application. Make sure you click this link right here and that will take you to this web page, form submission rules. Then we will go down below and see here, proceed to application. So click this button that says apply now. Finally, that will take you to this page, online application form at HireSign.com. Now I know that it's a little bit tricky and quite hard to find this application form. So make sure you rewatch this video. Once again, make sure that you don't miss out on any important steps and keep watching this video because it showed you how to use automatic software to do everything done for you on Microsoft Word. Also, you can immediately start earning $20 and even up to $100 each for one single Microsoft Word. So go down below and as you can see here, application form. Now there are a few questions that they will ask you and you have to fill them correctly so you can get accepted and start making money. Now I will show you everything step by step. As you can see here, username, and I will put in my username, first name, last name and age. And then I will put in my email address, password, confirm my password, mobile number and choose a gender. So make sure you watch carefully, select your notice period, click this down button, select on immediately and you can get accepted within 24 hours. Then you can start receiving different jobs right away and begin to make. And then for the next question, which position are you interested in? When you click on this down arrow here, you have to select your proofreading job because we want to use Microsoft Word file to make money. For a country selection, when we click on this down arrow here, you can select from whatever country you want. Once again, this is available worldwide. Now comment on what country you are coming from so I can make videos for you in the future. Now let's return to the video. After that, finally for the current work status, click on here and you will select on freelancer. It's crucial to choose freelancer because the chances that you will get accepted are much more higher. So as a reward tip, I want to show you how to write this section, which is brief yourself, and that's the most essential part. If you do it wrongly, you will not get accepted and you will fail to make money. So pay close attention. You have to type something like this, greeting, and here is your name. And then I'm interested in applying for proofreading jobs at hiresign.com and I'm ready to start anytime as soon as possible. Now this is incredibly important because you want to tell them that you want to start right now immediately and then you will say something like this. I would love to receive more job opportunities because the more Microsoft Word file you receive, the more money you can make. Once again, make sure to keep watching because I have shown you how to do this in a real life example. And moving on, I always get jobs done on time with wonderful client feedback and it was done with everything. Go ahead and click on this box and click on this blue register button. Within 24 hours, you must get accepted to join a hiresign.com and start receiving different Microsoft referrals to make money online. As you can see here, there are 2 pages of Microsoft files for this particular example with a total of $20 payout. And this is the first page and here is the page number 2 and the total 2 pages for one single document. When I scroll down below, one Microsoft file with 2 pages and you can get $20. Within 1 hour, you can easily complete 10 files like this and make $200 in 1 hour. And you can do this on your mobile phone or your computer. Now, I want you to observe and this is super essential. Once you receive a Microsoft Word file, they will usually have many grammatical errors and some spelling mistakes. Also, the good thing about Microsoft Word file is that you automatically have corrected them. For example, blue underline, this one here red underline, and you can right click and autocorrect them with one click of a button. Now for example, this one now, what is the next step? So that's a red line and you can just right click and autocorrect. You can repeat the same thing. Go down below and this is the grammatical error. You can right click and change to the right English grammar. Once again, you don't have to be so good at English or any other language. You can use Microsoft Word files to autocorrect the grammar and the spelling mistake for you. And then you will repeat the same thing on all the underlined parts. It's a very easy approach to earn $20. Now I will show you a special bonus tip that's 100% free software that can do everything for you to make your life so easier. So go on to google.com, type in a keyword Reverso Speller and search on this keyword. After that, you can find the first link reverso.net, spell checker, grammar spell check in English. And click on this link and then you will come over to this page to start using this free software and automatic spelling checker. Generally, they will help you to check all the grammar and spelling mistakes in English. So, you need to copy the text on this column. Click on this one, US and UK. You can click on this yellow check button to check everything and it's 100% free. They will start loading and help me to check for all the spelling mistakes. As you can see here, they find 2 spelling mistakes and change them for me with one click of a button. You can repeat the same thing and you can easily earn earn $20 per Microsoft file and you can use Reverse Speller to do everything done for you. And that's how people from all over the world are making money from Microsoft Word files. That's one of the best ways to earn money from YouTube in 2021. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, hit the like button and leave a comment down below on how much money you earn using this strategy. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.